Data analysis is a field that's been booming in recent years, but with the rise of AI, some are wondering if the job is at risk. AI-powered tools are increasingly capable of processing and analyzing large data sets, often faster and more accurately than humans. Tasks like data cleaning, visualization, and even insights generation can now be automated, making some data analyst roles redundant. However, it's not all doom and gloom. AI can also augment data analysts' work, freeing them up to focus on higher-level tasks like strategy and interpretation. To stay relevant, data analysts will need to develop skills that complement AI, like domain expertise, critical thinking, and communication. The future of data analysis is likely to be a collaboration between humans and AI. Are you ready to work alongside machines?